Hello everyone, welcome back to the MedClass podcast series. In today's episode 56, we will learn one of the most important analyses used in laboratory medicines and clinical research, the Bland-Altman Plot. Many researchers incorrectly use correlations to compare two measurements methods. However, correlations only measures the associations, not arrangement. The Bland-Altman plot is specifically designed to determine whether two different instruments or measurements method provide similar results. So, what is a Bland-Altman plot? A Bland-Altman plot is a statistical method used to evaluate the arrangement between two quantitative measurements method. In today's video, we will discuss for the biomedical example dataset compare of the blood glucose level measured by two laboratory analyses. So the patient for the P1 to P12 and the analyzers A, the one of the instrument and the another one instrument for the analyzer B. Now the data used for the Bland-Altman plot analysis in MedCalc software. So go to the top menu, selected for the statistics option and selected for the method comparisons and evaluations and then selected for the Bland-Altman plot. Then open the new tab for the Bland-Altman. The first one selected for the first method, the analyzer A, and second method for the analyzer B, and the filter for used to analyze only the selected observations. Example for the analysis only for the diabetic patients or only for male patients or only for the healthy controls. And the right side options provide for the graph plot ascending x. So the many options provided for the Bland-Altman plot. The first one for the mean of blood methods. This is a method formula A plus B divided by 2. This is original Bland-Altman method for the best for these studies and most of the biomedical students used for these studies. And the next one for the first method, this is for the x-axis containing method 1 value only. The useful for method 1 is a good standard. And the next one for the second method, x-axis containing the method 2 value, the useful for the method 2 is considered the reference value. And the next one for the geometric mean of both methods used when the measurements are positively shaped, commonly used for the microbiology, hormones concentrations and gene expressions and ELISA test estimates. So the next one for the simple rank, the rank by the average, the insert of the actual value patients are ranked. And the next one for the rank of first method, this is for the rank method 1 observations, and the next one for the rank of second method, this is a rank method 2 observations only. So the suitable for the mean of both methods in this study. And another one for the plot type, the first one for the plot difference, the method 1 minus method 2, the mostly used for this study and recommended also. And the next one for the plot difference percentage. So show the percentage difference useful when measurements vary widely. So the commonly used for this method, hormone analysis, protein concentration and ELISA test also. The next one for the plot ratios, the instead of the subsistence method 1 slash method 2 useful for the multivariate differences. Then the next one for the options maximum allowed difference between the method. This is the enter the maximum clinically accepted difference. Example for the plus or minus 100 milligram per the deciliters. So useful for the desiccating the whether method arrange the scientifically for clinical use only. And the next one for the drawn line of equality difference is equal to 0. The add on the horizontal line to 0 difference easily visualized to perfect the arrangement. So this also the recommended for the our analysis. And the next one for the 95% of confidence interval of mean difference that display the confidence interval around the average basis. So the persons of basis estimations, this also recommended in the our experiment. And the next one for the 95% of clinical of limits of arrangements, add the confidence interval for upper and lower limits of the arrangement, the highly recommended in the this experiment. And next one for the draw regressions line of difference, show the whether the base changes across the measurement range. Useful one for the deleting the proportional basis. And this is also for the last one, the 95% confidence interval available for after regressions line is selected. So the uncertainty around the regressions, though this is not selected. And the next one for the subgroups. So the subgroups allow to the compare between the groups. Example for the male with female, healthily versus disease, and instruments A and the versus instruments B. So the most of the recommended options for this analysis, the plot against the excesses means of the both methods, the plot difference, the drawn line of the equality, and the 95% confidence interval mean difference, and 95% confidence interval of limited arrangements. Then click to the OK button. Now our data is analysis. First one for this is plot for the Bland-Altman plot. The axis is present for the mean of analyzers A and the mean of analyzers for the B. So the y-axis also the mean of analyzer A and the mean of B comparatively. So for the mean for the green color and standard deviations value for the blue lines. And the data analysis the result. The sample size is 12 and the arithmetic mean value 0.1667 and 95% confidence interval for the minus 0.9 to 1.31, and the p value 0.75 and lower limits minus 3.36 and 95% confidence interval minus 5 to minus 1, upper limit 3.69 and 95% of confidence interval 1.68 to 5.70. And the fully explain for the interpretation of this graph and data analysis, I will explain for the one of the Blacker post. The Blacker post link mentioned to this video description box. Any doubt on this Bland-Altman plot in the math class, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support me, join our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.